We've gotten used to grabbing a paper towel for just about everything, cleaning spills, drying our hands, wiping up the counter. But what if I told you there's a better, cheaper way? I'm not here to guilt anyone or go full-on green warrior. But we all know paper towels aren't great for the environment. They're right up there with diapers in the landfill. But even more than that, I had no idea how much money I was literally throwing away until I changed how I use paper towels. It's not about quitting cold turkey. It's just a mindset shift, a small habit change that can really add up. Let me show you how I went from constantly buying paper towels to not needing to buy any for 3 months, and I still have some left. Here are my 5 habit buster hacks to save money and give a small hooray to the environment. 1. Get paper towel-sized microfiber cloths. These are reusable, washable, and they clean better than paper towels. You can get them in bulk or start with what you already have. 2. Make your own rags from old stuff. Old socks, t-shirts, robes, flannel pajamas. Cut them up into smaller cleaning cloths. Just make sure the fabric is absorbent. It's basically free! 3. Repurpose old bath towels. Keep your worn-out bath towels for cleaning large jobs or mopping up a lot of water. They come in great if you have spilled water, much better than using a roll of paper towels. Or ask friends, family, or look at garage sales for some. 4. Use dish towels in the kitchen. Instead of drying your hands with paper towels all day, have a set of dish towels ready. They dry your hands just as well and can be tossed in the wash. 5. Try cloth napkins. This is my #1 thing that I do, so I held it for last. I started using cloth napkins at meals. I realized how easy, and actually kind of nice, it is. You don't need fancy ones, just anything reusable. My husband likes large napkins, so I cut them to the size I need from absorbent fabric. Or if I can purchase them, that is a win. But first, before you even start your collection, take a few days and notice where and how often you're using paper towels. It helps you figure out what kind of cloth alternatives you actually need. But what about the laundry? I hear this a lot. You're not saving anything if you have to wash them. But honestly, you are saving. You are saving a lot. Just toss all your used rags into a bin or hamper setup just for these towels. I keep mine in the kitchen where it is easy to access. Don't put wet rags straight in the bin. Wring them out first and hang them over the edge to dry before tossing them in. Wash them once the bin is full. About folding. My husband just grabs clean rags out of the clean rag bin, no folding required. I fold mine, so I can always find what I need. I also keep our garage outdoor rags separate and wash them on their own, so they're not mixed with kitchen towels. So no, I haven't sworn off paper towels forever, but I use them way less. And when I saw how much money I wasn't spending anymore, I was not only shocked, but proud of myself. These little switches can make a big difference, and they're easy once you get started. Let me know your thoughts. Are you willing to make the switch? If so, which of these hacks will you try first? See you in the next video!